The powerful law of attraction states that like attracts like. Without exception, you will always attract into your life whatever you give your attention to. So of course, this law will apply to things like how tall you are. In this video, we'll talk about the 5 steps you need to take to manifest growing taller quickly. Step 1. Clarify why you want to manifest height. The first step to manifesting height is to clarify what you want and why you want it. Grab a journal and describe your ideal height. How tall do you want to be? How long are your legs? How long is your torso? What can you reach? What can you see? How will you look? Then write down why you want to manifest it. Your intention is essential. It will dictate whether you attract positive or negative experiences. If your intention is backed by negative energy like neediness or jealousy, then you'll attract more negative outcomes. You will attract more positive outcomes if your intention is backed by positive energy like joy and appreciation. Step 2. Visualize your life as if you are already taller. The second step to manifesting height is visualizing your life as if you are already taller. As I taught in the book, Feeling Good, your energy creates your reality. Therefore, it's important to remember that your feeling attracts you when it comes to manifestation. Whatever energy and attention you put into the universe will return to you. Out of the many manifestation techniques available, visualization is the best way to get into the feeling of what you want. Close your eyes, take deep breaths, and picture in your head what your life would be like if your desire had already manifested. Visualize yourself having your ideal height, admiring yourself in the mirror, walking on the street confidently. Anything that will help you get into the feeling of having that desire. Most people will feel joyful and happy, which are all emotions with high vibrations. According to the law of attraction, when you are joyful or happy, you will attract experiences that match your energy. Don't try to visualize how you'll grow taller or when you'll be at your ideal height. These unanswerable questions will just distract you from feeling the end result you want to manifest. Step 3. Identify your limiting beliefs around your height. The third step to manifesting height is to call out any limiting beliefs that are in your way. Limiting beliefs are the beliefs that block you from fully believing you can have your desire. Some common limiting beliefs when manifesting height are: it's hard to grow taller. I'm too old to grow taller. My parents are short, so I will be short too. No one in my family is tall, so I will not be tall either. It's impossible to grow taller after a certain age. I am already done growing. One common thing in all of these limiting beliefs is that they are all false. These limiting beliefs only exist in your mind due to your past experiences. They are only formed to protect you from pain in the future. The first step to eliminating your limiting beliefs is simply acknowledging them. By witnessing your limiting beliefs, you'll be able to recognize that they are not true and take corrective action to eliminate them from your life. Honor yourself for having the strength to witness your limiting beliefs instead of running from them. Trust that if you weren't ready to face your limiting beliefs, you wouldn't have even read this blog post. By choosing to search for a post like this, you're sending a massive statement to the universe that you're ready to heal and be free. Step 4. Say positive affirmations about your height. The fourth step to manifesting height is to replace your limiting beliefs by reciting positive affirmations. Use affirmations to gently replace your negative thoughts with high vibe energy. Recite your affirmations while maintaining the energy you cultivated in step 2. Use these affirmations to combat your limiting beliefs. I am the creator of my own reality. I love the idea of being tall. I would look so good at my ideal height. I can't wait to be at my ideal height. Tall me is beautiful. Long legs are so flattering. I can grow taller. It doesn't take long at all for me to grow taller. I see so many other people growing taller. I can grow taller as well. But the number one thing to remember when using positive affirmations is it's all about how you feel. Affirmations work best when you actually believe in what you are saying. Don't just recite affirmations just for the sake of doing it. Choose a few that resonate with you and actually imagine how you would feel if you lived out the affirmation. If reciting an affirmation brings you a sense of relief, then you are on the right track to harnessing the power of positive affirmations. Try writing affirmations for yourself. No one knows you and your circumstances better than you. The most powerful affirmations are the affirmations you write for yourself. Step 5. Assume your height is increasing every day. The final step to manifesting height is to stop obsessing over it and just assume your height is increasing every day. Most people mess up at this final stage because they constantly worry about when or how they will be at their ideal height. This is a big mistake because it basically negates all the work you have put in. Feelings of worry and fear lower your vibration and create tremendous resistance against what you want. When you feel worried, it means that you don't believe it will happen. And if you don't believe it will happen, it won't. If you want to manifest something, you must unblock all vibrational resistance standing between you and your desire by fully believing that it is already happening. So the most significant lesson here is to maintain your high vibrational energy by trusting that the universe has your back. Trust that the universe is always responding to your energy, and you will always attract outcomes that are a vibrational match for how you feel. If you find yourself getting impatient with your manifestation, use this prayer of surrender to let go of your controlling tendency. Universe, I step back and let you lead the way. Two of the most asked questions about this topic is how long does it take to manifest height and if it always works. For the duration, it can take a few months to manifest increased height. The amount of time it will take to manifest height depends on how well you stay in alignment with the belief that you can grow taller. If you're always worried about your height and doubting your ability to grow taller, you will block your ideal height from manifesting. You cannot think about not having what you want and manifest what you want at the same time. If you want to manifest what you want, the majority of your thoughts must be aligned with the possibility of growing taller. This means no negative self-talk, no self-doubt, and no feeling sorry for yourself. As long as you believe you can manifest height, you will manifest it into your life. The answer to the second part of the question is yes. Manifesting height always works. However, your outcome may unfold in a different way than you planned it. For example, instead of manifesting increased height by drinking milk, you may manifest increased height by taking a supplement. This is why it's essential not to limit how you think your manifestation will unfold. Always be open to creative possibilities. Remain aligned with your desire to grow taller, but stay open to when or how it will happen.